7 part of the HTML where we learn something new about HTML. To create a table, we just continue with the table tag. Now this is a tag which defines a table. Whenever we create a table, we type in table, and this is the tag with which we tell the computer, now this is where I create a table. So we just type in table, and then after this we type in tr. So tr means table row, or means table row. So now when we input values in a table, we don't input like column wise, we input data row wise. So now first thing we type in th. Now th means table header. Table header, just when you type things in table header, it just makes the text a little bit broader. The number of value enter in a table row, the number of columns it creates. Now if I have one table header tag in table row tag, so it will create only one column, and if I have two of these, now it will create two columns, and the more values I enter in one single table row, the more column it will create. So here I'm just going to type in, now we have these two table headers. Now we can input to create more rows, we type in more tr. We create more tr tags. Here after the table header we create, now this is not compulsory to type in table header every time you create a table. Now this is optional, but whenever you create something, whenever you create a table, you prefer to make the header a little bit broader. Now here in the second tr tag, you just type in which defines table cell. You can use td here also, but as I said, you would prefer the heading of the table to be a little bit broader, a little bit bold, so it won't look similar. So here after writing the heading part of the table, we create we write some info, like this type in and in age, I'll just type in age 13. So let's save this, and now I'll just open the live server. You can see it has just created a table, but with no separating lines. So to create those, we need to input css. Border 1 pixel. Okay, just save this, and let's see. We have a border of 1 pixel between our values. So here, this is how you do it. Now if I want another row over here, I can just type in I can just create one more tr tag, and then I can just create one more td tag. Let's say in David's age is 11. Now this is how you create this is how you keep on creating more rows, and to create more columns, you just type in, you just enter more information in tr tags. So th class th class and td8 td7. Let's save this, and you can see we now have one more column inserted over here. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.